actually. Somebody needs to just come over here and tell a girl to just... Girl, you're not that interesting. Girl, get it together. Think it through, sister. Think it through. What's up, dolls? It's your girl, American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. This video is going to be about experimenting with a couple new products, but there's definitely some products that I've already been using. This is called Momo Puri Concentrated Lotion. Definitely want to have that beautiful, clean, fresh looking skin. And so I've never tried out like a lotion. I don't even know what a face lotion is. I'm assuming it's like some kind of essence. And I'm gonna hope that I'm correct, and if not, and if I break out or something bad really happens, well, then it would be my own darn fault. Peach Ceramide Water and Lactobacillus Blend. Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like the peach fruit. It's got a little light pink color. I've also learned that with these types of products like essence, you want to pat it in so that the moisture really locks in. So dolls, what I would say is that it's got a little bit of a residue. It's kind of sticky actually, but I have to say my skin looks dewy. I definitely recommend this. Bottle is super pretty and it smells so good. So good, dolls. But yeah, I got some giveaways for you dolls, and so this is actually one of them. I've tried this in one of my Pamper days or self-love, self-care days, and I had to get one for you dolls as well because this is an item that I saw instant results. It pulls your skin upward so that the lines over here are not showing as much. I'm going to add this to the giveaway, so if you want to be entered, you can definitely check out the description box below. But so far, we've got like cute makeup. So also got this really great dewy light lotion. It's K-Beauty dolls. It's so cute. It looks like a cappuccino. Is it a cappuccino? So actually here I have my own. It's this right here. Isn't it so cute? It looks like, I guess, is it cappuccino? Oh, whatever. I don't drink cappuccinos. I just drink straight up iced coffee black most of the time. You literally put this around your ear. While that's going, check this out, dolls. Like, what? Like, what is this? And check this out, dolls. I really wonder if they work. Dolls, like, let me know what you think. My lips totally are deflated and they totally need some love. It's supposed to like plump your lips. I love lip plumps or lip scrubs because really as you age, it gets a little deflated, them lips. What is this? I'm just hoping that this was from the makeup section, by the way, dolls. That was pointless. I don't know if you dolls can see the difference. I forgot how it looked before. Just look a little bit more like, yeah, it looks like there's like definition here. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see? Anyways, let's just move on. But this is something that I have used before, and there's only like one shade. This is my favorite. I love the texture and I love it because I have dry skin, but for whatever reason, oh, there's even SPF in here. I forgot about that. So definitely I did grab one of these. And it just says that you would put here, 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 as well as here, and then you just blend it outward. So I actually do have some left. It's kind of too light for me, to be honest. I like to do it when I'm like concealing certain areas. To be honest, this is a little bit not my shade. Yeah. A little bit of a closer look. Maybe good for Halloween, I suppose. There's only one color, so definitely gonna have to try this, dolls. It's like a pencil that has eyebrow, eyeliner, as well as eyeshadow shimmer on a stick. Also, this is for the giveaway, so it's like that color here. Again, a neutral shimmer powder. Squish it in, and then voila, you got an eyeshadow. Oh, wow. This pencil is wonderful. Very defined, so I can draw my hairs. It glides on nicely. I like also how it's like fine tipped, so obviously I can build on it. Very subtle, it's very light, and it's actually pretty natural. So I'm gonna just put some here and just outline my eye. Because if this can do it all, then I mean that would be great, because I'm a practical girl. Powders in here. Wow, I'm impressed. I wish they had like more colors. $3.99? Seriously, dolls? So yes, I am definitely putting one here in the giveaway, and I really believe that you will definitely enjoy a product like this. I have just a couple more items, dolls. Love their eyebrow pencils. I love their colors. They're able to obtain a very nice ashy color. So if you definitely are trying to get rid of any brassiness, then definitely you should check out the Japanese eyebrow pencils. I definitely love their brow mascaras. I will try this one. Kind of a pretty color too, dolls. And it even goes lighter, like I was talking about. Want to lighten your eyebrows and you have like dark brown eyebrows or chocolate colored eyebrows, then definitely highly recommend Japanese eyebrow products. So this is Dollywink brand, and this color is called Maple. In fact, this color is actually a little bit like more the reddish tone. So that's how the mascara looks. Oh my gosh, this is kind of scary, dolls. This is actually metallic. Are you sure this is a brow powder or is this like a mascara? Because girl, you shining. Did I speak too soon? Oh. All right. I like it, but I'm just wondering why the shine? Like, I'm not trying to be like metallic eyebrows, although that is quite an idea. You know what? It's kind of cool, actually. They've surprised me. I'm just being really messy and rushing. I'm trying to calm down. Maybe I had too much coffee. You know, maybe I had too much coffee, dolls. So I am apologizing. Whatever. Okay. I talk too much. Sometimes I'm just like, girl, just get out of breath. If you dolls like, let me know. This is a liquid brown waterproof eyeliner. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in the inner corner, dolls. And I just love like this Dollywink pen tip, because it can really help you get into these cracks and crevices. And it's kind of messy, actually. I'm so sorry. You're fired. What you dolls think, and definitely if you want to be entered again for the ongoing giveaway, we're getting this channel to 3,000. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and like my channel and videos. I really appreciate that. I love you dolls. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay wonderful, stay fabulous, because that's what you are, and do not let anyone make you feel otherwise. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.